Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Wanted to share with you my Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K setup with the Ronin-S. I don't plan on getting the new Ronin-S because I spent too much money rigging this one out and I don't really see a need to. But let me show you how I got it set up. So first off, let's go over what's on it. I have the DJI focus motor. Of course, I got the knob here to control. Best part about this is the handles are so close together, I can still use my fingers or my thumb to adjust focus. So you can see that's pretty easy to do. I have the tentacle sync for syncing. I have the SSD. I have the tilted cage. And the reason why I got the tilted cage is because I wanted to have a locking connector for the SSD, which I do on the camera side and on the hard drive side. I think that's essential. Anytime you're doing something like this, you don't want to accidentally pull something out, corrupt a file or anything crazy. So that was a must for me and why I put it on here. This weighs 13.5 pounds. So if you're not super strong or you don't lift weights a lot, this probably isn't going to be the setup for you. The great thing about the weight though, is it's going to get rid of any micro jitters and it's going to help smoothness. With it being so heavy, it's just harder to move, so it just makes it smoother. I'm sure you heard of that before. So that's a plus with that. Also, I have some counterweights on the bottom and I have a LAN part offset switch. LAN part offset plate on the bottom. And I have this little small rig, I forget what it's called, but it goes around and that's how I'm securing the handles on there. Also, I have the DJI Ronin power converter, I think it's called. This allows the DC in for the V-mount, which I got on Amazon. And I'll put all the links in the description so you can check them out. I'll get a nickel or two if you buy something, so it'll help the channel out, help me make a little bit more content. I also have a Peak Design anchors, and you'll see why in a minute and what I'm using these for. But overall, with the two handle setup being so close, I'm still able to, like I said, move the focus, and the movements with two handles being this close are just really easy, really smooth. I'm able to kind of work it really well. So that's why I like it. So something else that might be a concern to you is the weight. I'm about 6'3", 215, so it doesn't weigh a whole lot to me, but when I do get tired, all I do is I take the tripod, kind of lean it against my stomach. Boom, it's a lot easier. I could stay like this for an hour probably. So I could do that. And I also have a neck strap, which I'll show you now. Okay guys, so here it is with the neck strap. And I have it mounted on these anchor points, and I'll show you a close-up of that. But it's pretty much the same as when I'm leaning it on my stomach. I can kind of let it rest with my neck, and it just kind of helps supplement and kind of spread the load across. Now these can get in the way a little bit when you're doing some turns and can hit it, but overall, it's just something else I use for weddings, for example, during the introductions and first dances. You're gonna hold it for at least 3 songs. So I might put this on and kind of rest in between. And then when I'm ready again, I can just get back to get my shots and all that good stuff. So that's how I'm using that. And I also have these Pink Design anchors on my C200. So I kind of use this interchangeably. So it's pretty easy to use. One other thing I have on here is the Zoom Crane Quick Release. So I can take that off as well and bring it even closer to the body, as you can see. Now I'm super close. I can do kind of like a dolly in here. Boom, something like that. But it just gives you an idea. It's just really short and compact. Now, I saw this, a couple people had this on YouTube. Now, there are many like it, but this one is mine. And if you know what movie that's from, let me know in the comments. I changed it a little bit, but like I said, there are many like it. This one is mine. Of course, I'm running the 18-35 on here, Sigma. I mean, who isn't? It's a sharp lens. It's a pretty good focal range, so it works for me. That's it as far as everything I have on here. The V-mount, showed you that. And one of the things I found is the focus motor and doing manual focus, I found that it's a lot easier to be creative. I can do some, faux kind of slider shots and do a rack focus at the same time. Basically I can just rack focus a little bit more, go in and out of focus with control while I'm, shooting B-roll or whatever it is I'm shooting. So I do like that control, whereas autofocus is, the little square might catch something I don't want it to catch and then it's in focus. Sometimes if I'm doing reception stuff, I might put it over my head and I don't want it to catch people's hands. I don't want it to catch focus. So having manual focus is just another plus there. And I do probably 90% manual focus now anyway. So it only makes sense to move it to the Ronin. If you have any questions, definitely leave it in the comments. Please like and subscribe. I'll help hopefully get some more content on the channel. Thanks guys, and keep on filming. Have a good one. I don't know. Have a good one. Bye. See you later. I don't